Okay, we're at the scene. We're on the first trestle. Flood is pretty severe here in Oneida, New York, USA. Most of the townsfolk have come to see the flood. The road sign right here is about 10 feet tall at least. It's almost flooded out. Okay, we'll have more to report in a moment. Okay, you can hear the airboats in the distance. Here you can see where the water's running over the levee. I don't think we'll actually see the airboats. There's a baseball backup fence that's about covered. Here it is.
In a minute, we're going to go up on the bridge.
Okay, we're on the scene at the trestle. Try not to drop the camera doing this. Right. So you can see there's trouble in River City. This is the other side of the trestle, or the other side of the levee. So it's quite exciting for everybody that's come here today. Let's hope everybody down there survives. I'm going to zoom in a little bit.
If you don't want to actually hurt yourself, then you're going to end up in somebody.
Alright. On the scene in Oneida today. Okay, we're at the water's edge. Located here by Stagmeyer's Central Distributing. I'm going to hopefully not get my feet flooded while I do this video. The entire region of the city here is shut right down. Being evacuated. You got the everybody's here from the village or the city. And you can almost see the waterfall going over the levee from way down here. Okay, reporting live, D-Dubb on the scene. Okay, we're witnessing the airboat. They just rescued some people. They're bringing them back here. Pretty serious situation for everybody here. Another family rescued. Whoa! I just got flooded out from the wake. That boat was courtesy of Silver Beach Fire Department.
Real Oneida Lake.
Yeah. Oh, the tide's coming in.